Namaskar and welcome to the yoga videos. I'm Mahalaxmi. In this episode, I'm going to perform yoga pose for back pain. Before starting yoga, I just want to suggest everybody, please, if you have back pain, try to avoid bending forward. And if you have any chronic disease, before starting yoga, you should consult with your doctor or your physician, or you should do the yoga supervision of yoga instructor. Now let's do the yoga pose for back pain. Now first I'm going to perform camel pose or Ustasana. For Ustasana, we need to sit like that way and inhale, raise your, come to the middle of mat, inhale, raise your right hand up and lower your right hand and raise your left hand up and lower your left hand and catch your left ankle. And exhale, very gently, you can forward and make a child pose. That way, we can do the camel pose. Very gently. If you are doing first time, you can do little bit only. Just, and otherwise you can do step by raise your right hand off, lower your right hand, catch your right ankle, raise your left hand off, lower your left hand, catch your left ankle and bend your chest backward. Like that way we can do the camel pose or Ustasana. Now I'm going to do cat and cow pose. Make a table pose and inhale out, exhale round, inhale out, exhale, again inhale, exhale, and come to the child pose. Now I'm going to perform COBRA pose or BHUJANGASANA. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Second one, left hand down, right up, and inhale, stretch your arm, stretch your wrist, and stretch your chest, and exhale down. Again inhale, exhale down. Now I'm going to perform another pose, locust pose or salvation. First keep your hand under your thigh, both hands under your thigh, and inhale, lift your right leg up, exhale down, lift your left leg up. Now I'm going to do MARKATASANA, monkey pose or spinal twist pose. First, fold your both legs, keep your hand inside, and one, exhale, turn left and twist your head opposite. Again, inhale, exhale, right, turn your leg right, head should be left. Again, inhale and exhale side, release. If you don't have space, you can lock your hand and keep your hand under your head, and you can inhale, turn right, head should be left, and release. For this yoga pose, we have other variation also, but for now I just perform only one pose. I hope you guys will able to do yoga pose for back pain at home. If you have any question, any problem, or if you want to watch any yoga video, please comment us. We will definitely make yoga videos for all of us. Thank you very much for watching our yoga videos. For now, bye bye, stay healthy and happy. Namaste.